What's going on, everybody? Welcome to another video. Today is a treat, not just for you, but also for me. A package arrived from my lovely wife, and there are two things in here that I have absolutely no idea what they are. So here's the package. She said that there is two things in here and I need to make two videos. So we're gonna open it up. Now I have to open it up, but I cannot look at what's in there, but let's open it up. I'm gonna have to keep my eyes closed and take things out one at a time. And don't worry, my wife is here off camera. So I'm gonna close my eyes. My eyes are closed. Don't know if you guys can see it. My eyes are closed. I'm opening it, and there's two things. So you guys actually get to see what's what before I do. There's paper here. My eyes are closed. There's the paper, and there's two boxes. So I'm gonna take out one first. My wife's gonna remove the box. Did I close the knife?
Yes.
Okay, my wife has moved it. So here is the first thing. So before I open my eyes, it has some weight to it. Not really rattling or anything like that, but I can't even stop smiling. I have no idea what it is.
Flip it over.
Flip the box over.
Okay.
This is the right side up.
Yeah.
Down.
Turn it.
Turn it. This side. Turn it.
Right
This
there.
side.
Yeah.
All right. Here we go. I'm gonna open my eyes in 3, 2, 1. Oh, whoa, wait a minute. Wait. Wait. Why does this look like it's an actual... This looks like... Okay. All right. So we have here... Wow. Okay. I did not expect a device. But, okay. We have here the Umidigi or Umidigi A15 series. I like the box. I like the blue. On this side it says Beyond Dreams. Other side, Umidigi A15 series. Wow. Android 13, so that's good. Memory, we got 8 gigs of RAM, and it is a 256 gig ROM device. Dual nano SIM, and an SD card. 5,000 milliamp hour batteries. My goodness. The screen is 6.7 inches. It's HD plus 1650 by 720. The camera, we got a 64 megapixel, 8 megapixel, and 2 megapixel, plus a front, so it's a triple camera system on the back. 16 megapixel. Oh my good lord. Wow, I actually did not expect a device. She told me she ordered something, but I didn't think it was going to be a phone. All right, let's open it up. Let's open it up. There we go. We are breaking the seal. All right. And let's take a look at what comes in the box. I did not expect a device. Here is the device. We are going to take that out. Put that. Oh my gosh! Woo! It just feels amazing. Let's put this down to the side for a second. Of course, it is a more budget-friendly device, but being Android 13, 256 gigs, that's incredible. 5,000 milliamp hour battery. That's ridiculous. And we have the startup guide here. We have this now. This should not even have to be said, but we have here a charging brick. It doesn't matter the speed of the charging brick. It's in the box. It is in the box. You don't believe me? Look at this. It's a charging brick for the device. It's in the box. Let's check out what we have here. Okay. This is capable of fast charging. 5 volts at 3 amps. 9 volts at 2.22 amps, and 12 volts at 1.6. Is this super fast charging? I'm gonna have to check this out. I think this might be super fast charging. Then we do have a nice normal SIM ejection tool, and we do have the cable. The cable is red, and it is a very nice Type-C to Type-C cable. This is nice. We have the charging brick in the box. Okay? The charging brick is in the box. Come on, man. Anything else in the box? Nope, I believe that is it. Very nice box. This is going into the collection. I'm actually let's get this back in there. So right off the bat, it's already in a case. Let's take the case off. That's the thing with these, quote unquote cheaper devices. they actually give you things that, wow, this feels very nice. Oh my gosh. Oh my good gravy. Do you see this, people? It has like a nice matte feel on it. Those camera, oh my goodness. Of course, you know, we do have to check to make sure the cameras are real. A lot of these devices, they do have fake cameras. I'm sure with Umidigi, it's not the first Umidigi phone that I've had. They actually have real cameras. The case, nice TPU style case, flexible. Can't complain with that. It does protect your device, but man, the matte feel on this feels so good. Let's peel this sticker off here. Try to get a nice clean peel. Let's get a, come on, give me that. Come on, nice clean peel. Okay, something I am noticing though, peeling the sticker, the back plate is kind of lifting up. Don't know if you guys can see that. But again, you got a case. It's not a high-end device. So keep that in mind. And we are getting, you know what, it's pretty clean. It's a pretty clean peel. I'll have to clean that off a little bit later. Very nice. Let's drop the case on that. I like the camera design. Let's go ahead and peel off the front peel. Wow, that was not supposed to happen. Here we are. Nice. There is a factory screen protector on the screen. We have, let's see, the side button. Looks like it could be a side-mounted fingerprint sensor. All right, let's power it on. We're at the set of your fingerprint part. Let's begin. So it is a side-mounted fingerprint sensor right here on the side. Okay, so I'm going to see how easy this is. So we're going to rest. We're just going to touch and lift. Pretty straightforward. Very similar to my Z Fold 3, which also has a side-mounted fingerprint sensor. Very speedy. We're going to see how accurate it is. Lift in place, and that's finished. There we go. We'll go next. Okay, pretty straightforward. We have all the Google Assistant features, voice match on the device. Google Assistant should already be able to acknowledge my device. Change wallpaper, change how text displays, control info lock. We'll do all of that later on. I'll do all that stuff off camera. I just want to get into the device. Okay, I do have to say this display is very nice. It's very bright. Not sure how good it will come across on screen. I should actually do it this way. But the screen looks very nice, very sharp. Very vibrant. Okay, let's see here. Let's dive right into the settings. We'll go into settings, should be there. Okay, it's very Google Pixel-esque. I do like that. We have the hotkey, Smart Assistant, battery, the usual notifications, storage, schedule power. So you can schedule power on and off. Display, I'm a dark. Let's go adaptive brightness. I am a dark themed kind of guy. No schedule, it's just on dark theme. Now this dark, it's not black dark. It's not like the deep black, but a dark mode is always better than the light mode, in my opinion. Go auto rotate screen. We have backlight, power saving, screensaver, video display enhancements. So we'll go ahead and turn that on. Let's go ahead and find the display settings real quick. The screen timeout, I like to go about 5 to 10 minutes. I'll do that. And it also prevents the screen from turning off when you are looking at it. Then okay, let's go to, oh, I'm actually in display. Let's see your brightness, adaptive lock screen. So it doesn't give any information on, okay, adaptive brightness, your screen will adapt, yada yada yada. Okay, pretty straightforward. All right, smart controls. Lift to check phone, smart motion, pick up, flip, and shake the device to control relevant applications, and pocket mode. So when the device is in your pocket, they will disable touch, ringtones automatically maximize and vibrate, and turn off Wi-Fi search automatically to save power when in your pocket mode. That's a very useful feature. Then we have wallpaper and style, security, privacy, location, password, accounts, etc., etc. Let's go into the about phone. It is the A15, Android 13. Let's go ahead and check for the Easter egg. And here we have the Android 13 Easter egg. We can tap it, we can turn the clock around. I believe you have to put it to 12, if I'm not mistaken. No, that's not it. I don't remember which one you have to put it to. This should be able to handle almost anything that you can throw at it. The display is nice. It's nice and vibrant. There's no lag. This is a pretty cool phone. Let's quickly get into the camera system and check out the cameras. All right, this is switch mode, start capture, go side by side. Okay. Let's go ahead and snap the picture. Shutter speed is pretty fast. Autofocus is pretty fast. Nice. Let's go into the 64 megapixel mode here. Wow. Okay. The lighting is not the best right now here, but the picture actually looks pretty good. Video, we'll go into video. I'll go into landscape mode here and just do a quick video. We can also get a sample of the microphone. This is the microphone and camera on the UMI-DG, the A15 series. Which one is this one exactly? This is the A75. Okay, this is definitely going to get the job done, and this is a sample of the microphone as well. Now let's see if all these cameras are real. So first, we are on capture. Now, I don't know which camera is which, so let's cover up the top right one first. As you can see, that's definitely a real camera. So there is an ultra wide and a macro. So I believe these are the uses for the other cameras. So let's check out the ultra wide. Okay, so that's definitely ultra wide. Let's see now. I'm covering up the top camera, as you can see here, and boom, we still have that. So one of these is the ultra wide, and it is in fact this one. So this camera is the ultra wide camera. I believe that's probably the 8 megapixel. That's probably the ultra wide. Okay, and then let us check out the macro. So that's ultra wide. The macro, I believe, is probably the 2 megapixel, if I'm not mistaken, and that would be the next one over here with the flash on it. And yep. Okay, so we have the 64. Let's get out of that. So we have the 64 megapixel, which is the regular camera, the normal one. Then we have the ultra wide, which is the 8 megapixel, and we have the 2 megapixel macro camera. Very nice. Here you have it, the UMI-DG A75. This should be a powerhouse. You know what? Let's go to YouTube real quick. Let's get a look, listen to the speakers. We have it on max volume. Let's go to one of my videos. Let's go to my channel. So give a listen to the speakers. What's going on, everybody? Welcome to another video. I got a special one for you guys today. Sit back, relax. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Today we're talking about PC peripherals. Now, it is a bottom firing speaker. The sound is good. This was the first gaming mouse and keyboard. From this distance, which is the safe distance to actually watch a video, you'll definitely be able to hear. Yeah, this is very nice. Okay, with the headphone jack, you cannot go wrong. Okay, that's going to wrap it up. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let's take a look. There is no always on display, which of course, you know, certain devices do not have those. Let's go ahead now and check the charging, and let's see if there's any type of animations, or what do we have here? Oh, there is a charging animation. Very nice. I don't know if you guys can see that. Samsung, come on, man. You got to be able to do this. I am a Samsung fanboy. but we definitely need charging animations. Let me plug this in one more time so you guys can see it again. Look at that. Look at that. That's a beautiful, yo, I like that. I like that a lot. And it is charging rapidly. Wow. Okay, yep. That is going to wrap it up. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So, Android 13, 256 gigs, 64 megapixel, 8 megapixel, ultra wide, 2 megapixel macro lens, double nano SIMs with SD card, a headphone jack, 5,000 milliamp hour battery. Good gosh, that's a lot of value for the money. All right. And speaking of the money, again, don't forget fast, rapid charging. And for the price of less than 200 bucks, the days of spending $1,000 on a device that you're not even getting your money's worth, they've been over for a while. And Umidigi has been at the forefront of the devices that actually give you value for your money. Umidigi, Huawei, Honor, Blue, believe it or not, even Blue, they're coming out with some amazing devices. Low tier, mid tier, you name it. But yeah, 187 bucks. My wife ordered this from Temu. Believe it or not, this is a Temu device. Okay, it got here pretty quick. I believe it took 2 days, and I believe it's because it's from the local factory that they have here. But this is a Temu device, 187 bucks, less than 200 bucks. The value for money. All right. Hope you guys enjoyed. Shout out to my lovely wife. This would not be possible without her. And shout out to you guys. Leave a thumbs up if you guys enjoyed the video. As always, I'm Picaso. Thanks for joining in. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace. I'm out.